Hey everyone, it's Arman here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Rava fried shrimp. This is actually a recipe originating from a small state in India called Goa, which is where my family is from originally. So let's get straight into the recipe. First of all, here's all the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this recipe. It's pretty simple. So we have 15 shrimp, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder, and 5 tablespoons of semolina. You can estimate it about 1 tablespoon per every 3 shrimp. First up with the shrimp, if you're using frozen shrimp, then make sure to thaw them beforehand. So what we're going to do is take a spoon and spread the turmeric and chili powder all over the shrimp. The turmeric is where the color comes from, and the chili powder is just to make it a little bit spicy. This amount really isn't much, and if you want to feel the spiciness, then you can even add double. So now we're ready to actually start cooking these, so go ahead and put your pan on a medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil. As the oil is heating up, you can start coating the shrimp in the semolina, and then once it's hot enough, you can start lining them in your pan. You want it to be hot enough so that when you put the shrimp in, you hear a slight sizzle. So we're going to let it sit now for about 5 minutes, and after that we're going to check to make sure that the other side is golden. So it's been about 5 minutes that it's been cooking, so now I'm going to check one of them on the other side to check if it's the color that we want. And there we go, that's the golden color that we want.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
So now lastly, I'm just going to check the other side as well to make sure that it's golden, and then all that's left after that is to plate it and then eat it. So now it's ready to be plated, so go ahead and turn your heat off, and then now we'll get plating. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also make sure to click the notification bell. And lastly, I hope to see you next time. Bye.